So I told him, I need my overtime. I'm putting in a deck.
You guys ever try one of these bars made over at Right Twix?
Why? Our special cookie is cascaded with caramel and cloaked in chocolate. How good could their Right Twix be?
Never wondered?
Try both. Pick a side. Twix.
No mess is too big for this baby. Perfect for your biggest problem areas.
I bought a vacuum.
Yes! You missed a spot.
Could you lift your feet up? It works.
Spring cleaning. All it takes is the right equipment and your Visa card. It's every way you want.
You know, Geico opened its doors back in 1936, and now we're insuring over 18 million drivers.
Quite impressive, yeah.
Come a long way, that's for sure. So have you since you started working here way back when.
I still have nightmares.
Geico. 15 minutes could save you 15% or more on car insurance.
We all do dumb things. Paying too much for car insurance doesn't have to be one of them. Geico. A 15-minute call could save you 15% or more on car insurance.
To go in the quarter, and they need to score on this drive. Looking for the blitz that he knows is coming. He's through. 35, 40.
The surprisingly powerful commercially...
Colin! Tidy that room! This calls for a quaver. Colin, I hope you tidied that room! Quavers? Watch out, they taste curly.
Daddy Lolo at Kuya, halika na kayo, ito ang aking bagong produktong Nax O-Wax. It can suck all kinds of metals like nuts and bolts.
Buti na lang nag-Canesten, kaya walang ikahihiya. May triple action na. 1. Eliminates symptoms. 2. Kills fungi. And 3. Restores healthy skin. Kaya tanggal ang buni, alipunga, hadhad at an-an. Wala nang hiya-hiya sa Canesten.
È molto piccolo, ma è anche molto potente. Hoover Compact, con un motore di 1400 watt di potenza. Hoover, niente li muove.
Gotta catch 'em all. Coming September, games and systems sold separately.
Ballack. Borowski, Klose, Tor! Ein Zaubertor!
Nutzen Sie jetzt die unglaubliche Saugkraft des Erasers 3000. Durch unseren patentierten Vaporisierer muss der Eraser 3000 nie entleert werden. Nie wieder Müll rausbringen. Nie wieder aufräumen. Eraser 3000. Get rid of it. Für entstandene Schäden wird keine Haftung übernommen.